The next transducer is the Hall effect transducer, where Hall effect, when a current carrying conductor is placed in a magnetic field, the transverse effect is noted. This effect is called the Hall effect. Hall found that what a magnetic field is applied at the right angles to that direction of a electrical current, and that the electrical field is set up which is perpendicular to both of that the direction, and electric current and applied magnetic field. Whereas in other words, for that the Hall effect, when any specimen carrying a current I is placed in that the transverse magnetic field B, then an electrical field E, and induced in that the specimen direction perpendicular to both I and B. The phenomenon is known as the Hall effect, where the figure shows that the specimen bar, in that the specimen bar carrying current I in that the positive x direction, let a magnetic field B apply to that the positive z direction. Then according to that the Hall effect, a force gets exerted on that the charge carries or that the electron or holes. In that the negative y direction, these currents I may be due to the holes moving in that the positive x, or that due to the free electrons moving in that the negative x direction through the semiconductor specimen. Hence, the irrespective of the nature of that the charge carries, whenever holes and electrons, this charge carries get the passed downwards towards the phase 1 and the specimen as shown in that the figure. Here the current in at that the n-type specimen is carried almost fully by that the electrons. These electrons, as a result of that the Hall effect, accumulate on other side of the one, which surface then gets the negatively charged, and relative to side for that the 2. Consequently, a potential difference developed from between that the surface 1 and 2 is called that the Hall voltage, VH, that means the Hall voltage. This Hall voltage in n-type semiconductor is positive at that the surface 2. On other hand, in p-type specimen, the Hall voltage is positive surface at 1. These two results have become verified into the experimentally. The polarity of that the Hall voltage enable us to the determine experimentally whether the semiconductor specimen of that the n-type or that the p-type. Here the magnitude of that the Hall voltage is VH is given by that the VH is equal to RH into BI divided by small b, where RH is the Hall coefficient, capital B is the magnetic field strength, I is the current carried by that the specimen, and small b is the width of the specimen along the magnetic field. The Hall effect may be used for that the determining whether a semiconductor is n-type or that the p-type. Here determining the carrier concentrations, the calculating of that the mobility having the measured and the conductivity, the magnetic field meter, the Hall voltage VH is given current and that the proportional to that the B. Hence the measurement of that the VH is a measure and magnetic field B. Here the Hall effect multiplier, the instrument given the output proportional to product and that the of the signals. Thus if the I is made proportional to the one input and that the B is proportional to the second input, then the Hall voltage VH is proportional to that the product of that the two inputs. And then next is the Hall effect transducer. Here Hall effect transducer are the transducer in which the Hall effect is utilized to measure the various electrical and non-electrical quantities, whereas the commercial Hall effect transducer are made from that the germanium and other hand for that the semiconductor materials. Then the following application for that the Hall effect transducer. The first application for that the displacement transducer measurement. The figure shows the displacement measurement for that the Hall effect transducer. Hall effect transducer may be used to measure the linear displacement or to locate it for that the structural element is cases where it is possible to change in the magnetic field strength by variation in the geometry magnetic structure. Here the shows that the arrangement of that the Hall effect displacement transducer. The Hall effect element is located in that the gap and that the adjacent to permanent magnet. Then the field position of that the ferromagnetic plate. The voltage output of that the Hall effect element is proportional to that the field strength. In that the gap function of that the position of that the ferrometer plate with respect to that the structure. With the method, the displacement as small for that the 0.025 mm can be that the measured. In second application is that the current measurement. Hall effect transducer can be used for that the measure current in that the conductor without interrupting the circuit and without making electrical connection between the conductor circuit and that the meter. When the DC or that the AC current flows through from that the conductor, it's set up for that the magnetic field around and that the magnetic field is proportional to that the conductor. A Hall effect transducer is inserted in a slotted ferromagnetic tubes which acts as the magnetic concentrator. The voltage produced at that the output terminals is proportional to that the magnetic field strength and hence is the proportional to that the current the flowing through that the conductor. The magnetic concentrator can be the omitted at the high current level since the magnetic field is fairly strong and that the victory for that the Hall effect and thus can be causes output voltage which can be detected easily. This method can be used for that the measure current from less than a microampere and the thousands of that the ampere. The next is the measurement for that the magnetic flux. The magnetic flux can be measured by that the Hall effect transducer. Here the semiconductor plate is inserted into that the magnetic field, which is to be the measured. The magnetic lines of that the force are perpendicular to semiconductor. The transducer has given output voltage which is proportional to that the magnetic field intensity. Following that the advantages and disadvantages for that the system. The advantages of that the system is required is very small space in that the direction of that the magnetic field and thus the Hall effect element can be inserted in that the narrow gaps for that the magnetic measurement in the airspace. And the second one is advantages for that the Hall effect elements gives out a continuous electrical signal in that the direct response to that the magnetic field strength. Also there is that the disadvantages for that the Hall effect sensor, the high sensitivity to temperature variation and that the high coefficient may be vary from that the plate to which is may be need to the individual calibration in the each cases. Their next measurement is the flood level detector, where the Hall effect sensor can be used as the position, the displacement and that the proximity sensor if the object is being to sensed with the small permanent magnet. Such as a sensor can be used for that the determining level of the fuel in that the automatic fuel tank, where figure shows for that the flood level detector. A magnetic is attached to that the float and as well as the level of that the fuel changes and so the float distance from that the Hall sensor changes. The result is the Hall voltage output, which is measured to that the distance of that the float from that the sensor, and hence the level of the fuel in that the tank. The overall for that the Hall effect sensor or that the transducer.